4-hour hike of the week. We're on the Bartram Trail in North Carolina, starting at Jones Gap. Beautiful hike over to Jones Knob, followed by Whiterock Mountain. Great views. Cool weather today. It's in the upper 50s this morning. Clear skies.
Still good.
We're at Jones Knob. A little foggy. Still beautiful. Mountain, which will be our lunchtime destination, over on the other side. We've made it to Whiterock Mountain, our lunch spot. Awesome views. Still hazy, but still nice.
We get a stick.
It's amazing how fast those things can move when they get going.
Timber rattler.